Here are some instructions on how to complete your extra credit lab assignment for Unit 3. When you get into the APR program, you're going to have to make sure that you have customized your program, and that can be done by adding the course code through K3VP2. You probably did this at the beginning of the semester. Let's go through the assignment. The assignment is due the evening of the lab practical exam, though I really suggest that you do it beforehand because it'll assist you with answering questions on the exam based on the axial skeleton. We're going to be going into Module 5, and then we're going to be selecting quiz. That's represented with the icon of a check mark. The quiz type will be My Structures. The region that we're going to be quizzing ourselves on is the axial skeleton, and the quiz type is Click to Identify. You want to answer all of the questions. This should provide you with 52 questions. If you're provided with, I forget the number, but if your program's not customized, you're going to get like over 100 questions, and you don't want to do that because it's going to be covering structures that we didn't do in class. You're not responsible for it. So this is where customization is really important. When you get done with your quiz, you can save your results as a PDF. You can print it out and hand it to me. You can email it to me. You can also just take a screenshot of your final results. There are some structures we didn't really cover the exact view that's represented in this program. There's one or two we didn't study that structure at all. And so for some reason, if you get these structures incorrect, I will adjust your total to compensate for that fact. Okay, so these are kind of like freebies. Oh, yeah, some very important tips. When you are identifying openings, such as the foramen magnum or the vertebral foramen, click on the side of the opening, not the actual center of the opening. Okay, this actually drove me crazy because I was clicking right in the middle of the foramen magnum and I kept getting it wrong. Okay, the sphenoid bone, we didn't study this view, so you don't have to worry about that one. We did not cover the lesser or greater wing of the sphenoid bone. For the perpendicular plate of ethmoid, as well as the vomer bone, we were going with the images in our binders. I mean, it's certainly fine to get these correct, but if you get them wrong, don't worry about it counting against your extra credit grade. We did the mandibular process, or mandibular condyle, I'm sorry, but we did not do the coronoid process, so don't worry about that one. Mandibular fossa, we did study, but I think the side angle view is a little bit clearer, easier to understand than this view. And we did not do the petrous part or petrous ridge of the temporal bone. And then we did not do the sutural bones. All right, so let's go to the APR program. The bottom right-hand side, where a My Instructor version, it says edit my course code. This is where you would have the opportunity to enter in the customized course code. So let's see if I can follow my own instructions. All right, so we're going to go to Module 5 on skeletal. We're going to click the little check mark at the end for quiz. The type is going to be My Structures. The region we said we're going to be doing axial skeleton. The quiz type is going to be Click to Identify. And the number of questions is all. Right, so as soon as you hit take this quiz, you can see at the bottom left that this will give you the 52 questions to answer. You can do this as many times as you like, and then just send me your highest score.